Hey, if you want to convert your Pinterest account into the business account using the Pinterest mobile application, first you have to click on the saved in the right bottom corner and then click on the settings in the right upper corner. Next, from here, you have to go into the account management and click on convert to business account. Now, when you do this, you've got this short information that can grow your business or brand with tools like ads and analytics. So from here, we can click to convert account, and first we have to add the profile name, then click next. Here we can add our website, next we have to click on this red button. Here we have to describe our business, so let's say that it will be publisher or media in my case, and click next one more time. That's another question. Would you ever be interested in the running ads on the Pinterest? So let's say that I'm not sure yet. Then click next. And here we can also find some base information. Now we can, for example, start a pin. So we can create one, create an ad, or explore our profile. And as you can see, that's everything. We actually set everything, and now our business account is ready to go. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.